Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix if your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is not charging. If you are using S25 Plus and you're facing the issue that your phone is on charge but it's not charging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you have to go ahead to your settings, and in settings just scroll down, look for battery here, click on battery. Now under battery you have to go to battery protection, and here make sure that you have selected only basic, not maximum from here, because if you have selected maximum, so your battery has a charge limit, so you cannot charge your battery more than this charge limit. So I'll recommend you how to select basic from here. Now once you have done, you have to go back, and now you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed very true, so you have to make sure that your phone is up to date. So go to your settings, go to software update here, click on check for updates. So it will check if there will be any pending software update, so you have to download and install that update on your phone, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by updating your software. But if you have updated your software but you are still facing the same issue, so you can try to check out your charging port. You have to make sure that your charging port is completely clean. There is no any dust or any dirt with your charging port. Or if you might see, so you can try to clean that with you using a needle or a small or a tiny brush. Once you have cleaned your charging port, you can also try to check your charging port that is not physically damaged. If you might see that your charging port is damaged, try to go for a mechanic so it will fix your charging port. Once you have fixed, you can also try to check for your charger if your charger is physically damaged or if your charger is not working. So you can try to change with an original Samsung charger to fix your issue. So once I've done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.